Remember that time you lent your favorite book to a friend, and every time you visited, your eyes wandered to their shelf, wondering when you'd get it back? Now imagine that book is a chunk of your hard-earned money, and the friend is someone you love deeply. This simple shift, from sharing to keeping score, is why lending to loved ones so often ends in strained silence and hurt feelings. Here's what happens in our minds. In families, we operate in a world of unconditional give and take. Help flows freely, like passing a dish at dinner, but a loan introduces a balance sheet into this warm space. Without meaning to, you stop being just a brother or a best friend. You become a lender, and they become a debtor. This new, invisible contract hangs over every interaction. You might notice their new shoes and hear a quiet, uneasy thought. Could they really not pay me back? This isn't greed. It's our brain's natural mental accounting. We can't help but move that loan from the gift box into the unpaid debt box, and resentment starts to quietly grow. The person who borrowed feels this weight too. Your presence, which once meant comfort, now reminds them of their obligation. They might pull away, not out of neglect, but out of shame. The relationship becomes a delicate dance, where both of you are thinking about the money, but no one feels they can speak about it openly. The trust and ease that held you together begins to fray, thread by thread. In the end, money is measurable, but relationships are not. Once trust is damaged over unpaid debt, it's incredibly difficult to repair fully. So, here's your call to action. The next time a loved one asks for financial help, make a conscious choice. If you can, give it freely as a gift, with no strings attached, and mean it. If you cannot give, find another way to support them, or say no with kindness. Protect your relationships by keeping the language of love and the language of loans strictly separate. Your peace of mind and that precious bond are worth far more than any amount of money. Choose the person over the payment every single time.